My name is Elliot Naughty.
And I'm Josie Picture.
Together, we are Naughty Pitch. I tell the dad jokes.
And I do the picture side of things.
And every time we press this, what do we have to do?
You have to have the cheeky little
Have
sip. I'm going to be taking you step by step today through this Rockin' Robin. I'm going to just quickly start this background. We use acrylic paint. It's got loads of different colours.
This way you have long, big strokes to get that canvas looking popping.
You can add different colours in here as well if you wanted.
Okay, first dad joke of the day. Who is Rudolph's favourite pop star? Beyonce.
Let's draw that egg shape. Semicircle that kind of goes round.
If you're struggling to get those circles, you've got a really good tip. Have a sip.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this, and just as a finisher, I'm going to add a little bit more texture to this background. And there we go. Very quick little Rockin' Robin.
Sip, sip.